Hey, this is Judge with the Cosmic Answer LLC, and we're talking about the Randrabhava, or the eighth house in your natal chart. And today we're talking about Kuja, Mangala, or Mars being there. Now, the eighth house is the house of sex, rebirth, transformation, surgery, scandals, chaotic things, extramarital affairs, and all things dangerous. It's also shared assets or inheritances, which are the loss of the father. Everything the father gives up, he's going to leave to the eighth house. And also consider that the eighth house is the trine of the fourth house, which is homeland or the mother. So it's the great things that the mother leaves, or the mother's children, because it's fifth from the house of mother. Now you put Mars here. Mars is naturally a Bharutra Karka, which is the Karka for siblings and father. In some cases, based on your school of thought, if you follow the 7 Karkas or the 8 Karkas. But the Bharatra Karka represents siblings and father. So consider this. You put Mars in the 8th house. Mars is the killer. It's the only planet that's capable of ending the physical body of the Jataka. Now, what does that have to do with your longevity? Mars is going to allow you to live if it's willing to die. So in some cases, Mars will grant you long life, midlife, or short life. It depends on your mission. But in this particular case, Mars is the karaka of siblings. So when it comes to inheritance, Mars has to take you into account to what you are to be inherited. Now consider this. The 3 dristis of Mars, you have the square to the 11th, which is the elder sibling, and all your fulfillments. The opposite dristi to the 2nd, which is your money, your values, and your family. And the semi-sextile, or the 8th dristi to the 3rd, which is the bhava-bhavam of the 8, or your siblings in general, mainly the younger siblings. Now, Mars will protect all the gains from the 11th house, and is willing to remove the elder sibling in case need be for you to receive that inheritance, if you have elder siblings. And Mars will oppose the value system, because we're thinking of shared assets here. Mars will attack your own values in order to gain someone else's. And if you consider the final dristi, Mars will eliminate or remove or exile the younger sibling, so there's no one else in line to receive your inheritance.